Okay, welcome to Shareability Uganda e-learning. My name is Nelson Bitswamba. In today's video, we shall be talking about geometry, that is a two-dimension geometry. So when you talk about geometry, it concerns with uh, shapes, that is drawing shapes using our tools, like you guys, you have sets, right? In those tools that are in your sets, you can be asked to draw out and practice how you can use your protectors, then those rulers, the rectangles, the compass, uh, to draw these shapes. But for now, we shall only be talking about them on the way how we can find their areas. When we talk about their areas, that is the area which is covered by that shape. Okay. We shall also be able to figure out the areas of different shapes. That is, if it is a triangle, how do you get its area? If it is a square, how do you get its area? If it is a rectangle, how do you get its area? If it is a pentagon, how do you get its area? Also, areas of circles. So in this video we shall be able to see how we can tackle and handle such problems. Okay, so let's look at one by one. In this two-dimension geometry, we shall be able to start with finding the area of a square whose side is 3. Yes, this is quite simple as far as finding the area. One of the best thing you have to know is if you can be able to know which formula or which concept or which procedure do you use in finding the area, then it will totally become very simple for you. Now, when you look at this square of ours, uh, it has sides. When you look at this side, we have this side which is on the what? On the left, and we have this upper side. We also have this downer side, and this side um, which is on the what? Which is on the right. Okay. So when they tell you to find the area of the square, uh, here they have given you uh, the distances of this side of these sides. They say from here up to here is the same as from here up to here, and from here up to here, then from here up to here. Then for us to be able to understand or to get the area of this shape, okay, we shall be able to know what is its length, what is its width, what is its length, what is its width. So we shall be able to take our this side as our length and this side as our area. So when we are looking for area of a square, we use a formula. We use a formula of side times what? Times sides. Okay, sides times sides. That means we shall be able to look at if this side you multiply it by this side, it is going to give us the area, because remember this side is equal to this one and it is equal to this one. Okay, so let's also try to apply, as our area is equal to side times the sides. Here this s, they are meaning side times sides. Okay, so when you are given the length as 3, they can only give you 1. But remember, when they have marked and said this area and this area they are of equal size, you should be knowing that the length which has been given here, it is the same as the what? As the width which has been given here. So that's why here they were able to multiply 3 centimeters times the 3 centimeters, following the our formula, which is side times the side. So here they were able to come up with 9. When it comes to solving this, it becomes quite so simple and everyone can be able to answer it. We also have another problem here. They are saying find the area of this square. Okay, you can see it's passing from here up to here. They are saying when they mark this and they mark this and they mark this, simply means that these sides are equal. Okay, they may not exactly give you that this is a square, but when you find any figure which is marked into this way, you should be know that each side is equal to each one. So when they say find the square of that figure or that shape, you should be able to know that they want you to use our formula of side times side. So here we shall be able to get our length, which is 8. Then we multiply by this side. Okay, so here we shall be able to say 8 times 8. Then we shall be able to come up with our 64 as the answer. Let's also try to look at how do we find the area when you are given another type of shape, which is called a rectangle. Okay, now here you can see uh, that we have been given our figure, but this figure is not a square, but it is our what? Our rectangle. Inside it there are some squares, but here they are saying find the area of the rectangle whose length is 10 meters by 6 meters. Okay, so this means we shall be able to solve this. We shall be able to solve this, and when they tell you to find uh, to find the area of a rectangle, you should also have a concept of our formula. These formulas do not resemble, but they do vary depending on the type of the shape. Now, if this is a rectangle, it has a different formula from the other formula, which is a what? Which is a square. So here we use our area as the length, this one, okay, and the width, which is W, as this one. Okay, so that means we shall be able to 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 multiply our length, which is this one, then times our width. Okay, so here I can see they're able to say our area is equal to 4 centimeters times the 3 centimeters. Okay, so here when I get a pen tool, they are not able to show it to you very well. Let me get a pen tool. So here implies that our length, okay, our length was equal to 4 centimeters. Okay, 4 centimeters. That's why they are able to say when you use our formula as length times the width, shall be able to get our area as 4 times this, and then shall be able to get our total area as 12 centimeters cubed. So that's the way how we can find the area of different shapes. Okay, let's also find out and see whether we can work out if you are given a what? If you are given a certain shape and they tell you to find the area. Okay, here they are saying work out the area of the rectangle below. Okay, then here we should also be able to understand, is this a rectangle or it is a square? This is a rectangle. We said a rectangle has our formula as our formula of finding our area is equal to our length times the width. Okay, they are saying our length times the width. So here you can indicate and say our length is equal to that is 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. Then also here you say our width is equal to 3 centimeters. Okay. Then you finally say our area. Our area is equal to our 6, which is the length, times our width, which is 3. That means our area shall be equal to the product or the multiplication of 6 and what? 6 and 3. What do we get when you multiply 3 times 6? That is by 2, 12, by 3, 18. So here we shall be able to get our 18 centimeters. Okay, why am I putting this? When you are measuring our area, area is measured in centimeters. Okay, area is measured in what? In centimeters. But the SI unit, okay, SI unit SI unit is centimeters cubed. That's why here I'm able to put that. Okay. So simply this is how we can find the area of a rectangle. If we have been given another shape, let me say if this was our shape like this, and they give you, they put in some marks. Okay, they put in some marks and they tell you to find the area of this. Here the area, we say our area will be equal to the side times sides. Okay, so here we shall be able to get our answer. When you are given values, you just use those answers and you say side times side. We shall also be able to look at how we can find the perimeters. The perimeters of these figures or these shapes. When you talk about perimeters, it simply means where the shape ends and where it too starts. This shall be shown to you in our next video that will be upcoming. Okay, so for this I do say thank you very much for watching this video, and be able to check out on our playlist for the recent or the missed videos. Then you can also be able to subscribe for you to get all the videos or the upcoming tutorials. Thank you very much. God bless you. Have a good moment.